Challenge 1, Teaser Prep. If you're new to Pilates or need to build up basic core strength, start here. Aim to practice this level 3 to 4 times a week, focusing on mastering the movement of one leg at a time. Draw your belly button towards your spine to support your lower back throughout the exercise. Keep your shoulders relaxed and down, away from your ears, to prevent tension in the neck. Each leg lift is deliberate and controlled, avoiding any jerky motions. Concentrate on the stability and control of the grounded leg, which helps in building balance and core strength. Challenge 2, Teaser Prep. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise to protect your lower back. Focus on smooth, controlled movements to maximise muscle engagement. Ensure your movements are synchronised, legs and upper body lifting together. Challenge 3, Teaser Prep. Strive for a balanced V shape without letting your legs dominate the movement. Keep the legs straight and together, activating the inner thighs. Use your breath to help stabilise and power the movement. Challenge 4, the full teaser. First, tuck in your chin and raise your arms. Ensure your body lifts and lowers as a single unit. Avoid leading with the head or feet. Hold the pose. Engage your core deeply. Scoop in your abs and curve your spine as you roll down and lower the legs. Balance equally on your sit bones at the top of the movement and point your toes away.